Do hashtags still matter on Instagram in 2023? Yes, they do, but not like they used to. I've spent 10 years teaching people how to use hashtags on Instagram and the value of them and how important they are for reach and distribution. I've also said the day will come where we will no longer need hashtags. Today is not that day, but we're getting closer. Right now, things like keyword search or the AI looking in the background for specific keywords related to information in your profile description and in your captions are just as important, if not more important, than what you're putting in your hashtags. So the hashtags are still helping with that keyword distribution, but search is happening differently on Instagram now. Artificial intelligence working in the background is categorizing content differently. Explore is happening differently. Instagram is looking at other ways of producing suggested content rather than people using just the hashtag searches. And now that we have keyword search, hashtag searches are becoming a little less common. So you're not seeing the same reach and distribution from hashtags as we would have seen a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. It's a constantly evolving marketplace, but right now, hashtags still matter, just not quite as much.